Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a mixed berry trifle. This recipe is so delicious and is so refreshing. The best thing about this recipe, it doesn't consist a lot of sugar and it's a party pleaser. So let me show you what's the ingredients.
The ingredients are cold mascarpone cheese, fresh strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberry, an orange, some powdered sugar that I divided into 3 parts, cold heavy whipping cream, some cinnamon, vanilla, and last the lady fingers. The first step is we're going to put the raspberries with the blackberries and add the cinnamon and the powdered sugar, and then we're going to add half of the amount of the orange juice, and we're going to mix well and mash the mixture a little bit. The second step is we're going to put the powdered sugar with the strawberries and the rest of the orange juice and mix well. The third step is we're going to put the powdered sugar with the mascarpone and mix well until it becomes creamy. I'm using my KitchenAid, but you guys could use a hand whisk or a hand mixer. Then we're going to scrape the sides. Afterwards, we're going to add the vanilla to the cold heavy whipping cream and add it to the mixture. Then we're going to mix it well until it turns to stiff peaks. The fourth step is we're going to line up a cheesecake baking pan with some parchment paper from the inside and the edges. I'm using a plastic, but you guys could use some parchment paper. The fifth step is we're going to build up our layers. Take the lady fingers by hand and put it as a first layer. Then we're going to pour the raspberries and blackberries, and then we're going to spread it out as a second layer. For the third layer, we're going to put half of the mascarpone mixture and we're going to spread it out. And for the fourth layer, we're going to break the lady fingers again by hand and add it on the mascarpone mixture. For the fifth layer, we're going to pour the strawberry mixture and spread it out. Then for the sixth layer, we're going to put the rest of the mascarpone mixture and spread it out evenly. And lastly, for the seventh layer, we're going to put some blueberries for decoration on top. Then we're going to cover it with some cling film and let it rest in the fridge at least for 3 hours to overnight. The last step is once it's fully rested, we're going to remove the parchment paper or the plastic slowly. And bon up you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below.